welcome our husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Rashita and Eliza May Lianage. Music next. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. Palakpakan naman natin si Eliza and Rashita. Wow, very beautiful. Okay, good afternoon, sir and ma'am. Okay. How does it feel being right now you're the husband of a beautiful Filipina?
So nice. I see first time and then so beautiful. So I thought like, why not try?
Oh, that's good. And welcome to the Filipino community. Right now, masasabi natin you are now a Filipino. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. Palakpakan naman natin. You will not take your seat. Magsubo po kayong lahat. How about Eliza? How does it feel being a wife of a Sri Lankan?
Well, of course, it's really a pressure, but it's good and it feels so nice and that, because, you know, like, I'm so thankful for them for being in here to come to see me.
Wow, congratulations both of you. You may now take your seats. Anyway, speaking of Sri Lanka, ayan, sige, upo muna kayong dalawa. May I request the parents of the bride to have a